In last lecture, we have to discuss about the interpolating, correct? That is Lagrange's interpolating polynomial. Okay. Today we will discuss about the finite differences and the difference operator. Okay. Finite differences and the difference operator. Okay. Finite differences and the difference operator. Okay. Now consider xi comma yi 1 less than or is equal to I less than or equal to n are the points of the function of f of x. These are the points of the function f of x. वो क्या है? पॉइंट्स है f of x के. And these x1, x2, x3 dot 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 xi are the equidistance point. That is the difference between any 2 points of x is same. The difference between any 2 points of xi is same. Okay, equidistance point. Okay, then we have to define the new operator or a new variable and consider h is equal to xi minus 1. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? h is the value that is the difference between 2 points xi and xi minus 1, difference between 2 conjugated point, and this h is same for all the values of I, that is for all values of I less than 1 to n. तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है? x1, x2, x3, x4 dot 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 xn are the equidistance points. These are the equidistance point. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ पे? These are the equidistance point. At that time we will define h. h is equal to xi minus 1 for all the values of I 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n. Okay, now we will discuss first the forward difference operator. First is forward difference operator. In bracket, this is your del. This is delta. Okay, delta. Forward difference operator. Okay, forward difference operator. We have to define this forward difference operator on any function for finding polynomials. Okay, so forward difference operator, how to define this? Delta f of x is equal to delta f of x or delta f of x. We have to define this operator on the polynomial delta f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. This is definition. Delta f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, this is definition of the forward difference operator. Okay, क्या है definition? Delta f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, this is definition. Now after that, delta square of f of x. How to write this? This can be written as delta of delta f of x. Okay, then this delta of delta f of x क्या है आपके पास? f of x क्या है? f of x plus h minus f of x. तो क्या जाएगा? The value of delta f of x is f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, now simplify this. We get यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? डेल्टा f of x plus h minus delta f of x. Okay, minus delta f of x. Now simplify this. This is delta f of x plus h can be written as, this can be written as, यहाँ पे क्या है? h. तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? अभी 2h f of x plus 2h minus this f of x plus h as it is minus एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच एज इट इज़ माइनस, यहाँ पे क्या है साइन, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। डेल्टा एफ ऑफ एक्स, उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच माइनस एफ ऑफ एक्स, तो क्या जाएगा माइनस एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच माइनस माइनस क्या जाएगा, यहाँ पे क्या है माइनस एंड दिस माइनस 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 प्लस प्लस एफ ऑफ एक्स। ओके, तो क्या मिलेगा, एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस 2h माइनस 2 टाइम्स एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच प्लस एफ ऑफ एक्स। दिस इज डेफिनेशन फॉर डेल्टा स्क्वायर, दिस इज डेफिनेशन फॉर डेल्टा स्क्वायर। Similarly, we have to find delta raised to n. Delta raised to n, we get the result. Okay. Now suppose the value of the function y0 is equal to f of x0. Suppose y0 is equal to f of x0, comma y1 क्या जाएगा, y1 is equal to f of x1, y1 is equal to f of x1. But how to write f of x1 in the form of x0? वो क्या मिलेगा, f of x1, we have to write this f of x1 as f of x0 plus h. वो क्या जाएगा, f of x0 plus h. ओके, x1 क्या जाएगा, x1 is f of x0 plus h. ओके, और बाय यूजिंग दिस फार्मूला पुट i इज इक्वल टू 1, तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा 1, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 0. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ h और वी हैव टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ x1. ओके, देन y2 इज इक्वल टू क्या जाएगा, f of x2. तो हाउ टू राइट दिस, तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा, हाउ टू राइट x2 इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दिस, पुट i इज इक्वल टू 2 इन दैट, यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा 2, यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा 1. देन फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ h, वी हैव टू रिप्लेस हियर डायरेक्टली, दिस इज f of x0 plus 2h, f of x0 plus 2h. दिस इज वैल्यू ऑफ y2 इज इक्वल टू क्या मिलेगा, f of x0 plus 2h, और दिस इज f of x1 plus h. कैसा भी लिख दिया तो भी चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. सिमिलरली वी हैव टू फाइंड द डेल्टा f of x0, डेल्टा f of x0. तो डेल्टा f of x0 क्या मिलेगा, यहाँ पे क्या था, डेल्टा f of x इज f of x plus h माइनस f of x. यहाँ पे क्या है, डेल्टा f of x0, तो डेल्टा f of x0 क्या मिलेगा, f of x0 plus h माइनस f of x0. करेक्ट, f of x0h माइनस f of x0. नाउ f of x0 plus h, उसकी वैल्यू क्या है y1, उसकी वैल्यू क्या है y1, उसकी वैल्यू क्या है y0, तो वो क्या जाएगा y1 माइनस y0. दिस इज योर डेल्टा f of x0. बट f of x0 क्या है हमारे पास y0, f of x0 क्या है y0, तो वो क्या मिलेगा डेल्टा y0. ओके, नाउ सेम वी हैव टू फाइंड y2, और इन जनरल वी हैव टू फाइंड डेल्टा yr जनरल, और जनरली डेल्टा yr इज इक्वल टू क्या मिलेगा, यहाँ पे डेल्टा yr इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा yr प्लस 1 माइनस yr. दिस इज योर फार्मूला. ओके, दिस इज योर फार्मूला, डेल्टा yr इज इक्वल टू yr plus 1 minus yr. Now similarly we have to find the power of delta, and we get the relation delta raised to n, we get the relation delta raised to n y0 is equal to delta raised to n y0 is equal to delta raised to n minus 1 y1 minus delta raised to n minus 1 y0. And this is very important relation between this delta. देखो यहाँ पे क्या था, डेल्टा yr इज इक्वल टू yr प्लस 1 माइनस yr. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिला है, डेल्टा रेस टू y0, डेल्टा रेस टू n y0 इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा रेस टू n माइनस 1 y1 माइनस डेल्टा रेस टू n माइनस 1 y0. ओके, दिस इज योर रिलेशन. यहाँ पे देखा हमने रिलेशन. फ्रॉम दिस वी हैव राइट डायरेक्टली आल्सो. ओके, डेल्टा y0 इज इक्वल टू y1 minus y0, or in general this can be written as delta raised to n y0 is equal to delta raised to n minus 1 y1 minus delta raised to n minus 1 y0. Okay, this is your whole about forward difference operator. Forward difference operator क्या है? डेल्टा f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. ओके, और डेल्टा स्क्वायर f of x क्या मिलता है? f of x plus 2h minus 2 times f of x plus h plus f of x. और suppose y0 is f of x naught, or delta y0 is equal to y1 minus y0, or delta yr is equal to yr plus 1 minus yr. Okay, then same here, delta raised to n y0 is equal to del raised to n minus 1 y1 minus del raised to n minus 1 y0. This is whole about the forward difference operator. Okay, now we will discuss same for backward difference operator. Second, backward difference operator. Backward difference operator notation or symbol of this is del. Symbol of this is del, and delta f of x delta f of x, this can be written as or denoted by delta del f of x is equal to f of x minus f of x minus h. This is f of x minus f of x minus ch. यहाँ पे क्या है? दिस डेल एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स से सेपरेट करना है. क्या करना है? सेपरेट एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस एच. ओके, एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस एच. दिस इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ backward difference operator. Backward difference operator. Okay, then similarly we have to find del square, or just like we have to find all these value. अभी जो देखा है we have to find all these value, but here I will write the result directly. We get the relation delta yr, also the delta yr अभी जो हमने वहाँ पे सॉल्व किया था वही रिजल्ट मैं अभी डायरेक्ट लिख रहा हूँ. डेल्टा yr इज इक्वल टू yr माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू yr माइनस 1. ओके, देन सेम डेल्टा रेज टू n yr, डेल्टा रेज टू n yr इज इक्वल टू delta raised to n yr is equal to also delta raised to n yr is equal to delta raised to n minus 1 delta raised to n minus 1 yr minus delta raised to n minus 1 yr minus 1. Okay, these are the results. Okay, this belongs to the backward difference operator. तो उसके डेफिनेशन क्या है? डेल एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस एच. ओके, और डेल वाई आर इज इक्वल टू वाई आर माइनस 1. ओके, देन डेल रेज टू एन वाई आर इज इक्वल टू डेल रेज टू एन माइनस 1. यहाँ पे जो है ना वही लिखा है वाई आर माइनस डेल रेज टू एन माइनस 1 वाई आर माइनस 1. ओके, तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट backward difference operator. Okay, then after that we will discuss the central difference operator. Okay, third, this is your second, third central difference operator. Central difference operator. Okay, and this operator is denoted by the symbol delta. This operator notation, उसका notation क्या है? Notation such type of delta. Okay, this is also called as delta. and defined as delta f of x is equal to f of x plus h by 2 minus f of x minus h by 2. F of x plus h by 2 minus f of x minus h by 2. Okay, this is definition of the central operator delta. Delta f of x is equal to f of x plus h by 2 minus f of x minus h by 2. Okay, this is definition of central operator and उसका notation क्या है, del और delta, both are same. Now after that we will discuss the operator. Next operator is the average operator. Fourth average operator, and this operator is denoted by the symbol mu. This operator is denoted by the symbol mu. Okay, this is your mu, and this is defined as mu of f of x is equal to 1 by 2 average operator. This is mu f of x is equal to दोनों का average 1 by 2 in bracket f of x plus h by 2 plus f of x minus h by 2. f of x plus h by 2 plus f of x minus h by 2 दोनों का average. This is your operator mu or the average operator mu. Okay, this is your average operator mu. Okay, these operators are very important. Okay, then after that we will discuss the very important operator, that is the shift operator. I will write here operator number 5. Shift operator, and this operator is denoted by capital E. Okay, this operator is denoted by capital E, is called shift operator, and this is denoted as E f of x is equal to f of x plus h. This is E f of x is equal to f of x plus h. Okay, E f of x is equal to f of x plus h, or this can be written as e raised to r f of x is equal to e का power r f of x is equal to f of x plus rh. यहाँ पे क्या है, दिस इज इंक्रीमेंट और दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द इंक्रीमेंट इन एच. ई एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच. ये आ गया तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, इंक्रीमेंट. ओके, एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच. इन जनरली वी हैव ट्राइड दिस ई रेज टू माइनस आर एफ ऑफ एक्स. इन जनरल वी हैव ट्राइड, यहाँ पे माइनस आर आ गया तो ई रेज टू माइनस आर एफ ऑफ एक्स, ई का पावर माइनस आर एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस आर एच. एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस आर एच. ओके, एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस आर एच. दिस इज योर शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर. Then we have to find the relationship between all these operator. Okay, relationship between all these operator. Okay, central, average, shift, del and delta. There are 5 types of operator. First कौन सा था? First is forward difference operator, that is del, and del f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Second is delta, that is backward difference operator. Okay, वो क्या था? del f of x is equal to f of x minus h. Then third is central operator or del f of x is equal to f of x plus h by 2 minus f of x minus h by 2. Then after that, average operator, that is mu, and mu f of x is equal to 1 by 2 f of x plus h by 2 plus f of x minus h by 2. And last, this is your shift operator. Okay, shift operator क्या है, e f of x is equal to e f of x plus h. यहाँ पे क्या है, add है h. ओके, यहाँ पे r आ गया तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, r h. देन सेम e का पावर माइनस r है तो f of x minus r h. दिस इज योर शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर. ओके, शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर. नाउ we will discuss the relationship between all these operators. Okay, relationship between all these operators. Relation between the operators, that is del, delta, mu and e. These 5 operators. Okay, these 5 operators. तो फर्स्ट रिलेशन है, आई विल राइट दिस रिलेशन डायरेक्टली, उसके प्रूफ भी है बट यहाँ पे प्रूफ लेने की कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. फर्स्ट इज डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू ई माइनस 1. फर्स्ट इज delta is equal to e minus 1. Now second relation is del is equal to 1 minus e inverse. Del is equal to 1 minus e का inverse. Then third is del is equal to e raised to 1 by 2. Delta is equal to e raised to 1 by 2 into del. Then fourth is e inverse is equal to 1 minus del. Fourth, e inverse is equal to 1 minus del, or by using this we have to write that these two are same. Then after that, the next relation, del into delta, and del into delta is equal to delta del is equal to delta square. This is also important relation between that. Okay, these are the relationship between these operators. Okay, now in this lecture we have to discuss about the operators. This is your forward difference operator, this is backward difference operator, this is central operator, this is mu is average operator, and e is shift operator. And these are the relationship between the operator. क्या है relationship between, relation क्या है, del is equal to e minus 1. Del is equal to e minus 1. Second, this del is equal to 1 minus e inverse. Okay, then delta is equal to e raised to 1 by 2 into del. Okay, the next, e inverse is equal to 1 minus del. Then del into delta is equal to delta into del is equal to delta square. Okay, these are the operators. Okay, तो देखो, this is called forward, that is delta. This is called backward, that is del. This is called delta, central. This is mu. This is called average, and this is e. This is called shift operator. And these are the relationship between that operator. Okay.